beautiful angels. This is Miss Dixie from Magic Vents Tarot, and this is your January love and work forecast for Scorpios. Yes, friends, if your sun sign, moon sign, rising sign is in Scorpio, this reading is for you. If you know a Scorpio, you can cross watch it for them. Friends, make sure to subscribe, like, and share Magic Vents Tarot. If you subscribe, you get a chance to win a free reading, friends. So make sure to subscribe. One lucky person will be selected at the end of every month for a free reading. So subscribe, like, and share. Join us on Instagram for personal readings. Visit our website, friends. Currently I'm sold out, so if I'm not replying to your messages, it is because it's no point writing to you that it's booked. I usually converse with the, like, yes, I am going to book it. So that's how is the it's best to talk that way rather than, hey, let's just wait a bit. So yeah, let's see, Scorpios, how your January will be. I'm super excited. If you want to watch Hindi Urdu versions, it is on the other channel. Link is in the timestamps. Let's see, Scorpios, what is the theme of the month for you, Scorpios? Scorpios, theme of the month of January. Wow, the Queen of Pentacles. A lot of money is coming your way. I see you are feeling very, stable, very secure. And stability, finances, security, money, what do you say? Personal power, that all those things are highlighted for you. Let's see what else. The Seven of Wands, okay. I see you are very close to achieving your goals, your dreams, Scorpio. So you should not give up. Absolutely not. You don't give up on your dreams. You are very, very close to achieving a goal or a dream that you have been working on. You also have the Queen of Pentacles. So Queen of Pentacles is like you are in charge. January is your month, Scorpios. You are in charge. Success is coming, luxury is coming, or stability is coming, or some sort of a victory is coming, Scorpios. Wow, Four of Swords. I do see this is a month of planning also for you. You will be planning for your next 10 years, next 2 years, next 3 years, or also you will be planning for the next 4 months what you need to do. I also feel, friends, this month you should take a bit of rest also, because I see you are very, very busy with the Queen of Pentacles. Is like super busy, super CEO vibes. You are, how do I say this? You're very busy at work, at planning, even if you're a housewife, or even if you are looking, a houseman, looking. Now some of you might get like, what is a houseman? A person who looks after the house, just like the housewife, the house husband. It's a beautiful thing. It's a beautiful gift you give to a woman, it's one of the most, beautiful things you can do to support. So even if you are looking after your house, your home, you'll be busy. There's a lot on your mind, lot of plans, lot of things, lot of manifestations, lots of learning. I see you reading books. So just stay patient, because you're very close to achieving your dreams, Scorpios. Yes, and you could be dealing with an earth sign, Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus. So let's see how your love life will be for Scorpios, their love life in January. For Scorpios, their love life in January. Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, your own energy. Scorpios, their love life in January. Scorpios, their love life in January. Wow. A lot of cards are jumping out, but they are moving, but they are not coming out exactly for you. See, now this wants to come out. Scorpios. Changes, transformations. The Star, Six of Pentacles. You are dealing with a very important connection this month, friends. Get ready. The Three of Cups, yeah. The Magician, the Two of Wands, and the Three of Pentacles. So I do feel, friends, you are trying to work very hard on manifesting a marriage. Some of you want to marry and you are trying to work your way towards it in January. I see that there is a person, possibly Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, or Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, that you want to have for long term in your life. Or even if you are single, you are looking for long term commitment, you are looking for family, you are looking for marriage. And some of you are already dealing with a marriage, but you already, if you have a partner, you want marriage with them, that's for sure. You are looking for commitment, you are looking for stability, and you are ready to work for it. You are ready to work for it. I also see that you maybe, I don't know why, but I see that you are constantly checking up on some person's social media, probably to know what they are doing, or what they, maybe like your lover is your twin flame person, or your lover, ex-husband, wife, they are staying with their family away from you. So you're constantly checking their social media, Scorpios, trying to understand what that person is up to, or what they are doing. Are they talking to someone else? Because I think you are keeping an eye on somebody, Scorpios, right now. As I'm doing the reading, I see you checking the social media of somebody you love. I also see that person you love is keeping an eye on you, Scorpio. So get ready. You are being given your own medicine. Yep. Someone is keeping an eye on you, and you are also keeping an eye on someone. I also feel you are ready for a commitment. You are done with love. You want marriage. You want long term commitment. You want a relationship. Dates? Nope. Nope, no, 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 no dates, only love, only commitment, only marriage, and you're ready to work hard for it. Let's see what else will happen. I do see there is a connection which is very telepathic. You feel very connected to this person, Scorpios, but you are still in double minds, or that person you are, you are in love with. That person is still confused whether they should come, whether they will get married to you. I don't know why they are confused, but they are not listening to their intuition. They also feel very attached towards you. They also feel very connected with you. They could be your twin flame. I see that, this person will be making a move towards you or meeting you regarding some decisions, in the second week of January. This person, your lover, your husband, wife, or someone is coming towards you, meeting you, or calling you, messaging you about the future or some plans to talk. Definitely. You may also be making plans to travel with this person, because you want to travel, you want to know them, so that you can spend your life with them, right? They are also, I feel your person also will be traveling towards you, or they will be calling you, calling you and trying to talk to you. But the mid of January, woohoo, fireworks, get ready. Eight of Swords, transformation, the star. Something will happen, friends, mid of January. I'm sorry to say this, but yeah, some changes are going to happen, because I do feel that your person doesn't listen to their intuition, and if they continue to do so, you may get fed up of that relationship, or some sort of past issues are again going to come back in this connection, and you may decide to walk away, or your person may decide that it is time for some space. Death is also your energy, Scorpio energy, pure Scorpio energy, so, past issues are going to reappear in this connection, Scorpios. Even if you are single, you will still feel all those past issues or past relationships you have had, and it will affect you. But this is also a time of great healing for you. You can heal. You can heal and rise out of these things. Also, listen to your intuition. Listen to the signs. You are getting a good. This is a very spiritual month for you, Scorpios. This is a very spiritual relationship. It can transform. It can heal, and it can balance. The past karma is going to be balanced. The past life issues are affecting you in this connection in January, but they can heal also at the same time. So a lot of potential is there. At the end of January, you are going to celebrate. Yes, definitely. Maybe this person is Aquarius, Libra, Gemini, or Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus. I do see some celebrations are coming your way. A lot of happiness, a lot of talks and romance is coming your way. I also see you are trying, you both will understand that, this is a magical connection. So get ready, Scorpios. You are going to be serenaded, and I see you might host a party for your person, or cook a dinner, or they might cook for you. Again, you both will feel mature after this mid of January. You know, there is this maturity that comes between you and the person. And look at that Three of Pentacles. You both are going to enjoy each other's company, and you're both willing to work for this connection. So it is excellent. Some issues will happen mid of January, but you can transform. You know, you are like the magician this month. You're going to transform it, Scorpios, and it can make your relationships even better, like butter. Better butter. That's interesting. Let's see some advice for you. Temptation, the devil, yeah. You will be very tempted, you know, to quicken the pace of this month. You know, you'll be very, very quick to just get married or just jump into the bed with this connection, or you will be very quick to move out of a connection also, Scorpios. But don't you do that, because no, that's not the right thing. Listen to your intuition. Four of Swords, take your decisions slow. Take your decisions carefully. Now you understand the Queen of Pentacles. Earth signs, very slow in decisions. Very slow. That's how you need to be. If you are too quick this month, you may move out of a good connection without doing the work. So don't do that. Material and spiritual prosperity, Six of Pentacles. Yeah, a lot of balance is coming in your love life. Some past issues are being healed. So, you know, a lot of healing is happening for you, Scorpios. Stay open, stay relaxed, and don't give up. So, let's see your work and career, Scorpios. Let's see for the month of January. All right, the Emperor, you're very powerful. Ooh, Ace of Cups, a new start. Probably you are starting a new job for some of you. Page of Earth, the Four of Cups, and the Four of Wands. Yeah, I do see some of you will be starting a new job or a new project, or you are, starting a new class or going back to school or colleges or university. So it is an excitement in the air for you. You are feeling excited. You are feeling very connected to your work, your career. I also feel that some of you could be very creative this month, like you are into much creativity. You are into, how do I say this? Your creativity will be very high. So you will be painting, dancing, digital art. Some of you are learning that, coding, digital art. Some of you are learning that. So it will be fun. I also see that you will feel very in charge of your career, your finances. You will feel bold, you will feel confident and in charge of your job and career. But money wise, you may feel like, you're still not doing great. You can do much, much better. You still feel like, this is the job that if a new job is coming, you will feel it's perfect. But what if they pay me a little bit more? So that is how you feel. If you are a student, I do feel you might be getting bored of your work or your studies, because it is a bit dull. You may also be missing, like, some good friends in January, especially if you are a student. So good connections are coming your way, especially friends who can help you and make your college, your school life more fun. We often see that schools and colleges are about learning, yes, but they are also great places to know people, to make friends. And those friendships last. They are the most, they become memories. They are our heritage. They are our anchor, those moments we spend in school or colleges. So you're looking for some good friends. They are coming. I also feel that some of you have become very used to working from home or something. So any change in that setup is like, oh my god, I can't believe it, we have to change now, because you have become a pro at it, Scorpios. You're really enjoying it. So maybe you may if you have a chance, you may still continue to do so, because you are like becoming you started to enjoy it now, and you will spend some time in creativity also. So make use of it. Let's see some advice. But money wise, you are a little bit unhappy, like, we can have some more money, of course. Let's see some advice for Scorpios. The World and patience. See, patience. Keep working, friends. You're very close in achieving a goal. Seven of Wands, Queen of Pentacles. You're very close, very, very close. It won't take like maybe at the end of this month or maybe in the first week of February, March, you will be able to achieve a goal, complete it. Maybe some of you will graduate or some of you will have more income, promotions, the world. Yeah, learn something which is globally helpful to people. Or, I do see that you will feel very connected to other countries also. Emotional loss, Five of Cups. You're looking for, you desperately need people who can understand you. I don't know why, but that's how I feel at Scorpios. You need people who understand your creativity and the way you work, because you are very sweet Scorpios. Scorpios are very loving, they are very magical, intense, and very kind hearted at the same time. So you want someone who can understand your heart. It's beautiful. Let's see some extra cards for you. Okay, let's see. Unicorn, use your intuition to make beneficial choices. Yes, universe, the signs are guiding you. Listen to the signs around you. Wishes, family wishes will come true. Yeah, some of you want to get married and you might actually achieve it, or it might happen this month or in the coming months. Archway, new doors, possibilities and paths are opening for you. Wheel of Fortune is here. Don't waste your time thinking too much. You might think too much, do less. Marriage, yeah, see, marriage is very important for most of you. Time to get out of a situation. Yeah, some of you might leave a job or a career and shift into, or a house and shift into something new. August is important for some of you. Happiness is coming. Someone extremely stubborn and unwilling to change. Rabbit, too much concerns with sexual matters. Ooh, I told you, we had what? The devil? Where is it? The temptation. Look, in the lovers, in the advice. Friends, you are obsessed with somebody, especially their physical beauty. So watch out. Control your anger or you'll be sorry, and target a goal-oriented person. Yeah, you're a very focused Scorpio. So it is a powerful month for you. I wish you a lot of success and happiness. Subscribe Magic Wednesday. Bye for now.